Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch screen from its original LED strip to our SP series LED strip. SP is our brightest LED strip series. So this kit comes with one SP series LED strip, one LED drivers, one wire adapters. Okay, let's set aside the kit. Take a look at the screen part numbers. This screen is made by AU Electronic G150XTN01.0. 15-inch original included LED connection. So let's take a look, see what I have a kit here. I can test it, see test how bright is it with the original LED strip. So then we can do the comparisons according to its specification. It has typical about 350 nits. Okay, this one, it has built-in drivers. I just put it here, connect here. Oops. Should be this side, I think. Yeah. Okay, I fired my generator already. So let's say, put it this way. Well, I'm gonna put it this way. I'm gonna connect here, VGA signal. I'm gonna connect here. Here we go. Okay. So I have my meter here. I'm gonna fire up. Okay, this is with original LED strip and built-in drivers. 350, 349, 350, 355, 354. Okay, so pretty much that's what it says on the data sheet. So, okay, so let's set aside. Well, we're gonna try to install the LED lights. Hello, to upgrade this display from its original LED screen to our SP series is really simple. First, you need to disconnect this connector, which is the LED strip was mounted horizontally. Okay, you can just pull up. See, disconnect it. And also this end has one small flathead screwdriver. You need to remove it. So basically just remove it. Okay, then you just use any tool treater. Let me show it to you a little bit. See that this end? You can just see that. That's it. This is the LED. Put it back is even more simple. So because this one we have double side tape for this particular screen, you don't need to take it out. Okay, just stick it in. You see? Just stick it in all the way, and then you're gonna add a piece of tape, and then we're done. So next section we're gonna take a look, see how bright is it. Well, I just add a piece of tape. You can leave this one as is, and then you can connect to the LED drivers on either end. Okay, this wire adapter connect between all wires. Okay, and then connect this one. We're gonna take a quick look here. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, we're gonna do VGA signals. All right. Okay, I have a meter here. 1,468, 1,458, 1,450. So approximately, depending on the screen condition, can reach anywhere between 1,300 nits to 1,500 nits for this particular screen. Okay, so as you can see, it's very simple to upgrade. You just pull it out, unscrew it, pull it out, put it back. The inverter you can mount it anywhere you want to, and same type of connectors. Okay. Thank you for watching.